China is emerging, is becoming one of the powerhouses of innovation in the world. And if I remember correctly, it was the Starbucks CEO, Kevin Johnson, who said recently, the pace of innovation in China is faster than any place in the whole world. And in fact, everything is moving really fast in China. So it's a very turbulent, a very dynamic, but also very uncertain world. So the question really is, how do you organize for innovation in a world that is constantly changing and moving and highly uncertain? You may or may not do business with Chinese businesses and companies, but let us look, learn and leverage some of the experiments and experience that Chinese companies have with innovation in this kind of very rapid, changing and uncertain environment. So maybe it's time that we look east for inspiration and innovation and perhaps can challenge our own assumptions. I'm going to be drawing on a decade of experience of living and working in China. And you will, first of all, develop a sense of urgency for rapid innovation as close as possible to the customer. Secondly, you will probably foster a mindset in which we're going to practice and learn how to think beyond, let's say, the traditional boundaries of the corporation and the industry and think more in terms of business ecosystems that offer collaboratively solutions to customers. We're going to discover new ways of organizing for innovation with fresh and unique insights from China, but for the whole world.